Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Nikki and today we're gonna talk about the best Messe in Vienna. Are you looking for information about working, studying or just furthering your education in Vienna? Then this is the best place for you to gather your information, and that for free. Today I visited Austria's biggest fair for careers, studying and further education. I just really want to share with you why it's such a good idea to go visit, and you also get little stuff on the side, but we're gonna talk about that later. Whether you're a student, you want to work, or you're just looking for options to choose from, you can really just explore and look around. There are like thousands of opportunities you can take, so that's a good place to start, is visiting this fair and get yourself some brochures or other information you don't even know you're looking for. What is the best fair or the best Messe? It's probably one of the largest fairs in Vienna for career, studying and further education. This time it took place in Messe Vienna from March the 6th to March the 9th, 2025. The whole place is packed with universities, companies and organizations offering valuable information. Why you should visit? First of all, it's easy access to information. Instead of searching for hours for the information you need, and sometimes you may even stumble upon websites that are not even the right ones, you can just go up to the people from the organizations from each stand and ask them directly. And the best part about this, it's completely free. Free of charge. You don't even have to book for free tickets, nothing. You just show up, you go inside into the hall and just look at the many opportunities and many stands that are there for you to choose from. Most stands also have little goodies like candy, pens, notebooks, so like you don't even have to talk to them. You could just like, can I take some candy? Yes, of course you can. It's free, it's for you. You don't even have to go to all of the stands. You can just pick and choose which stand you want to go to, and if you see, oh, the other stand has some candy and I want that fucking candy, you can just go ahead and just grab it and like, hi, I'm just here for the candy. And just take it for yourself, man. You can talk directly to the universities and the people that go to those universities. Mostly there are also students there, so they can give you a better insight of how good the university is, what they offer, how they feel about going to school there, so you can get a really good first impression because there are students also there. For example, I always had a passion for media or design and stuff like that, and I didn't even know I could go to a college, which is like an afternoon school, and you can work in between and go to the school at night, and also you don't even have to pay that much for a semester. So like the one I was looking at, you only had to pay like 70 euros for a semester. So I didn't even know about this. I was like, okay, maybe I'll just go ahead and ask what are the programs and stuff like that. I was with my sister, by the way, so she was a lot of help too, because she's also interested in that kind of stuff, mostly game design. So it's just, if something piques your interest, just go there and ask. Just don't be afraid to ask even the smallest questions. Workshops and presentations. So I actually didn't go to a workshop because I didn't have time for that, unfortunately. Otherwise I would go, but they also offer different workshops you can go to, which is listed on their website and also in the program brochure you can look at. For example, one of the workshops that they have listed on the website is if you have the Matura and you don't know what to do next. They explain everything, what the opportunities you will have and what is the next step. What's Matura? It's basically a certificate that allows you to go to universities easier, and you don't have to do a extra test for it, for example. And most people like me don't have Matura, which is a bummer because then I really don't have that many opportunities to go to universities and stuff. But they have a workshop or a presentation that talks about your next steps you can take when you don't have Matura and which universities you can go to, for example. What I found really interesting is that they did a workshop for financial literacy, which is very, very good to have in this day and age, because most people don't know about budgeting and stuff like that from school or their parents, and they didn't know where to learn it from. So I think that's a good opportunity to also go to these kinds of workshops. These presentations and workshops are done by professionals in their field, so they know what they're talking about. I really had an amazing time at this fair. I wish I could have stayed there longer, but I couldn't because I'm actually going away, and I didn't even know when this year I'm gonna go on this fair. I also got some really cool freebies, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. And I talked to really cool people, which gave me so many new opportunities, opened so many doors for me, because I didn't know these companies were even gonna be there. So that was a surprise for me completely, which is great because I'm actually working on my coloring book right now. I made a coloring book, and there was a publishing company there, which I didn't even know was gonna be there. So I went up to them and asked, just for basic information, what it takes for me to work with them, for example. So like this also falls in the category of networking. So that was a really, really good opportunity to also meet other people from these fields. They also have a website, which I will link down below, and for you to check out, because they have way more information on their website. Mostly it's multiple days you can go to. So for example, this year 2025 in Vienna we have 4 days which you can go to, and on every other day there are other workshops, there are other presentations, so you can just visit multiple of them if you like. Also, if you really like traveling and you like languages like me and you like working with other people in different countries, they have options for that too. So like Erasmus or travel and work, other companies, different companies basically are there. You can also study in other countries and they give you information about that. I will list you a couple of companies or like couple of themes they have going on. The key points that they discuss the most are the following: 14+, studying, jobs direct, further education, inclusion, and international. Here are the different fields you can expect when you're visiting the BeSt fair in Vienna: general advice and information, health and social services, administration and justice, art and culture, media and communication, languages, technology and natural sciences, universities and universities of applied sciences, and economy. So now I'm gonna show you what I personally took and what freebies I got. Probably can't hear me without a mic, but this is a whole freaking bag full of stuff. Not only brochures, but freebies. And as you can see, I put one bag in another, so I will show you one by one what I got. First, as you walk in this hall, there will be an information stand there, and you can get yourself a bag for free, and information where to go, where the companies and stuff like that. You could play Kahoot, and if you won, you could just take a book from their collection that they had there. So actually I got this small book, which is a travel journal, and I liked it because it says "Seize the Day" and it's green and it's cute. I didn't even open it yet because I was like, let's get moving. I don't have that much time, so I wanna get most of my time there. As you can see, I got a lot of brochures and stuff like that because I'm gonna look at everything and decide what I'm gonna do next. But from one stand, I really didn't have interest for this one school basically, and I just like, what's this? And they gave me coffee, so I took it. I mean, like, why not? Free coffee? Yeah, of course. I also got a sticker. I also got like little candies and chocolates, and then there was a claw machine, and I want this keychain with the smiley on it. I don't know if you can, oops, if you can see it. Hello. I think you can see it now, yeah. I got this smiley keychain, so that's really cool. Also, there was another stand where you can win something if you answer a question, and I got this water bottle which is insulated. So I mean, what? A water bottle for free? It's really cool, and it's my favorite color. It's blue. So yeah, I also got this pen, which is really cool because this is actually an expensive pen if you're gonna buy it yourself, because it's a really good one. And I mean, they have a logo on it, but I don't care. It's a free pen. I don't like those normal pens, but this one is really good because it's one big or BeSt, I don't know. But it's a really good one. Yeah, one of the travel companies that actually works for, I think, volunteering and travel. If you're traveling to a destination where you want to work and stuff like that, volunteering. I took this brochure. Yeah, I took this brochure and I'm gonna look at it, like what they offer, like which countries they have. They also have London, for example. Then of course I had to get another bag which says passionate thinker. And of course I got even more candy from the other bag which I need to give to this bag now. From Siemens I got nuts. These nuts I got. They even have QR codes on them and stuff like that. And they had this big ass nut thing. Like, how cool is that? Then I got even more brochures, but I'm not gonna show you every one of them because it would be a long time. But there are brochures of different job opportunities and companies that I would like to work with or at. And then also universities where I like to study without Matura, so that's nice. And when we went outside, they also had a stand with a political party which I actually support. I'm not gonna tell you right now because that's not the part of the video, but they also had stickers there, so you could take stickers about feminism. For example, this sticker, smash the patriarchy, which is kind of cool. I mean, I'm all for feminism, okay? If you don't have your license yet, that you can't drive a car or a motorcycle, whatever, they also had this voucher which you could take from these companies that offer you the license for the car. So that's nice. There was also a company there which I forgot to mention, which works with surveys and questionnaires and polls like that, which I usually do surveys online. And I asked them like, how can I register, or like, how can I work with you guys, because I like doing surveys. And then I did a survey there and also got a small prize for that too. And if I want to work with them, I could next time like get also cash. So that's also nice. If you want to have a little cash on the side, that's a nice opportunity, you know. Also outside, next to the political party stand that was there, they also this is not an ad, okay? None of this is an ad. I wish it was, but no, it's not. I don't endorse none of these. It's just a nice thing to have, you know. I also got this energy drink. I'm not gonna show you the packaging, but yeah, I don't even know this brand, so I think maybe they're new, I don't know. but you get a lot of these freebies, you know. Also, for the survey, I got a Coca-Cola. I could basically take one of the drinks they had there, so I took a Coke. As you can see, I have a lot of brochures and stuff like that to go through and decide if I'm gonna take on any of those things. But the information was there, and I'm glad I went because my mind just opened up so much more than before. And yeah, what else is there to say? So I hope you liked this video and I gave you valuable information about the BeSt fair in Vienna. They also have this fair in other cities, but I'm not sure which ones. But thank you so much for watching to the end, and I hope you like this one. Also, stay tuned for more videos like this. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video so I know what to post. Comment down below if you went to the fair and what you liked about it. And also, I would like to know if you will actually visit this fair. But other than that, I will see you next time. Bye!